Hello, my name is Anne and I'm with the University of California 4-H program. Welcome to my kitchen. Before we begin, make sure you have your parent or guardian's permission to cook in the kitchen, and make sure the kitchen work surfaces are all cleaned and sanitized. And wash your hands before prepping any food for at least 20 seconds with soap and water. Okay, great! Today we're going to be making sweet potato quinoa tacos. For this recipe, you will need the following items: 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a small sweet onion, 1 clove of garlic minced or grated, 1 large sweet potato chopped, you can peel it if you'd like, salt and pepper, 1½ cups cooked quinoa, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 2 canned chipotle chilies minced, 1 tablespoon chipotle in adobe from the chipotle chili can, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 cup of cooked black beans or canned beans, 1 lime juiced, 1 small bunch of cilantro, 6 to 8 flour tortillas, and 1 avocado sliced or diced for toppings. Many of these ingredients can be substituted or eliminated, so you can work with what you have. 2 of the most exciting ingredients that you won't want to skip in this recipe is first the quinoa, a grain that you'll find near the rice at your local grocery store. It's high in protein and fiber. And the second is the sweet potato, a root vegetable packed with sweet flavor and a beautiful orange flesh. Let's get cooking. First, let's tackle the quinoa. You'll want to rinse it under running water and then toast it in a saucepan with olive oil for about 2 minutes. Add water, bring to a boil, then reduce the heat and cover. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Remove the pan from the heat and let it sit for 5 minutes covered. Then fluff it and it's ready to go. After you've cooked the quinoa, we can start to work on the taco filling. Heat olive oil over a large skillet at medium heat. Add the onions and sweet potatoes and toss. Cover the skillet and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Once the sweet potatoes are tender, add the garlic, quinoa, chili powder, chipotle chilies, adobe sauce, cumin, brown sugar, cayenne pepper, and 3/4 cup of water. Stir and bring the mixture to a boil. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes or until the water is completely evaporated. Remove from the heat and add black beans, cilantro, and lime juice. We'll then warm our tortillas, fill with the mixture, and get creative about any additional toppings you might want to add. Could be cheese, lettuce, or even that delicious watermelon salsa we learned about earlier this week. I hope you enjoy making and eating this meal with your family. For other UC 4-H activities, visit our website at 4h.ucanr.edu.